Now on 7 News.
A drowning in a public pool. The victim was on the job, and now his family wants answers.
This is 7 News at 5:30.
On this Friday, a live look at a youth center on Miami Beach. A lifeguard drowned in front of young swimmers on their last day of camp. Hello and welcome, everyone. Lifeguards on duty cannot save the life of one of their own.
And his family wants to know what happened in these very strange circumstances of this tragedy. Maricela Burgos live on Miami Beach with our top story at 5:30.
Earlier today.
My son was a great son. He's my eyes, my heart, and everything.
The family of the man who they say drowned here at this youth center in Miami Beach still don't feel like they know what really happened to him on that day.
The incident happened on August 16th, and the family still has no answers as to how it happened, why it happened, and what the circumstances of what did happen.
28-year-old Janvier worked as a Parks and Recreation employee for the city of Miami Beach. Attorneys say he was not on duty. They say his injuries were very serious.
We know just based on the injuries that he must have been submerged in the water for quite some time. We're not talking about 30 seconds to a minute. We're talking about 10, 15 minutes.
They're also asking for people to come forward with any pictures or video from that day. They also request to see surveillance video, if any, so they can get a better idea of what truly happened to PJ at the youth center on the last day of camp.
We understand from what we've heard that there was a lot of people on the pool deck.
City officials released this statement, quote, "Our first priority is supporting his family with every available resource during this tragedy. PJ was an outstanding employee who truly left a lasting impact on everyone he worked with. His smile was contagious, and he cared deeply for the youth in our recreation programs." 7 News learned one lifeguard and a part-time recreation leader were suspended pending hearings about their jobs. Plus, we're told a second guard who was a seasonal employee was let go.
If they were as a result of this incident, well then I think that speaks for itself, and maybe and at least the city officials know what happened, and I think the family has the right to know what happened as well.
I've not been able to eat or sleep for 17 days. Please, somebody, anyone, please. My son was a great kid.
The mayor released a statement saying this was a great loss and expect after a full review of every fact that it will be shared with PJ's family as well as the community. City officials have also expressed that several agencies are looking into this, but that no charges are expected. Live in Miami Beach, Maricela Burgos, 7 News.